Hello my dears. Last video we have discussed regarding the career opportunities after the BSc Nursing graduation course. Okay, so as I have earlier discussed and listed out what are the courses are available after the BSc Nursing graduation course, and today I am going to give you in detail explanation regarding that. Okay, so please concentrate my dears. And first one is we have discussed and we have listed out among them. First one is the clinical research course. Okay, clinical research course. What is the clinical research course? Okay, it is a comprehensive program. It is which is especially designed for the science students. Okay, which is especially designed for the science graduates. Okay, so this course mainly focuses on the research methodology, regulatory guidelines and ethical practices. Okay, let me repeat again. And this course mainly focus on the research methodology, regulatory guidelines and ethical practices. Okay, so main focus of this course is the clinical study design, drug development process and data management and good clinical trials. Okay, so simplify, I can conclude this. And these course specially designed to work in the pharmaceutical companies and research organizations. Okay, these course mainly developed for the students in order to know about the pharmacology. It's nothing but drug management. Okay, so that is a simplified definition of your clinical research course. Okay, so this course mainly it is typically 1 year of your program. Typically after completion of your BSc Nursing graduation course, you can pursue this degree within the 1 year program. Okay, so what is the benefits? What is the benefit of your clinical research course? It is you can work in the pharmaceutical companies and you can work in the research institution and you can work in the clinical trial management. Okay, let me repeat again. You can work in the pharmaceutical companies and you can work in the research institution. What is the main focusing of your course? You can work as a clinical researcher in order to know about of your drug development process. Okay, so this is regarding of your clinical research course, and the duration of the course is the 1 year program. And second one, we'll see that second one is the medical coding course. Okay, come to the point, my dear student. Medical coding course which is available all over Andhra also. Most of my students have done the medical coding and now their position in the various areas. Okay, and with a good remuneration also. Sometimes they used to call me, madam, we are working as a medical coder with a great remuneration. I feel much happy because my students pursuing those positions with a good remuneration. I feel much happy by listening those words. Okay, so now what I am meaning to say here, medical coding course has enormous opportunities also, my dear student, and this course mostly concentrating on the anatomy, physiology and ICD and CPT as well SCPC. Okay, what is ICD? International Certified Diseases. International Certified Diseases. What is CPT? Common Procedural Terminology. These are the courses which are available under the medical coding. Okay, next one is the SCPC. SCPC stands for Healthcare Common Procedural Certification. Okay, Healthcare Common Procedural Certification. Okay, so if you pursue these coding system degree, you can be called as a CPC. CPC stand for Certified Professional Coders. Certified Professional Coders. Okay, so what we're supposed to do in this medical coding? It is nothing but whatever data we are transferring to the other hospital, otherwise other areas, we are maintaining the coding system here. Suppose if we have an idea regarding of your nursing diagnosis, acute pain related to disease condition, we generally say that. So this acute pain related to disease condition which is written as a documentation form, this documentation form will be converted into the coding system. That is a simplified example of your coding system. Okay, so what are the certified programs are available here? ICD, CPT, SC, PC. Okay, so if you secure this course, you will be called as a CPC. CPC stands for Certified Professional Coders. Okay, so what is the duration of the course? The duration of the course is 3 to 6 months of the course. Okay, so once you get into the website and you can check it out where the courses are offering here. And next one, clinical data management course. Clinical data management course, the course is mainly focuses on the data entry. Okay, the course mainly focuses on the data entry, database management, database design, and clinical trial data analysis, and which is providing the hands-on experience for the student to work in the industry standards tools. Okay, industry standards tools. Okay, now as of we have no idea regarding the computer system. Okay, why? Because we have no awareness towards to how to communicate and how to do the things into the systems. Okay, because we are mostly acquaintable into of your teaching aspect, either otherwise you are acquainted into the clinical aspect only. We have no knowledge about of yours how to deal with the system. Okay, so but this course mainly going to be teach you how to maintain the data, how to analysis the data, how to entry the data, how you are going to maintain the database management. So these are all the areas where you are going to cover with this clinical data management course. Okay, so this will be help you to maintain and manage the analyze clinical data effectively. So that is nothing but whatever we are getting information from the patient, that we are going to be analyze very effectively, and we are going to be enter very effectively, and we are going to maintain the documentation effectively. So this is nothing but clinical data management course, the special design course after pursuing of your BSc nursing degree course. So what is the duration of the course? 2 to 2.5 months. 2 to 2.5 months, the duration of the course which is available. And next, if you okay, so this is a certified program only, and you can work into the research institutions if you pursue the course. Next one, what are the career opportunities which are available? Suppose if you have pursue this course, it's nothing but clinical data management course. What are the opportunities? What position you are going to be higher here? First one is you called as a clinical data manager, you called as a clinical data associate, and you can called as a clinical research associate, and next one you can called as a clinical trial assistant, clinical research associate, and drug safety associate. These are the positions you are going to be secure if you pursue this clinical data management course. Okay, so simplify, I can say that if you enter into this course, you are eligible to learn how to enter the data, how to analyze the data, how you are going to be manage the data, how to do the database management. This all can be effectively learned by you. Okay, so this is giving you of your enhancement of your profession. Next one is of your pharmacovigilance course. Okay, what is a pharmacovigilance course? This pharmacovigilance course, which is mainly designed for the student to understand the drug safety. Okay, so each and every drug has a side effects. Okay, so far we have a knowledge when we are reading of your pharmacology. Okay, so once you have done this pharmacovigilance course, this will be giving of your knowledge, expand of your knowledge, how to see the drug safety monitoring, and what are the drug reactions, adverse drug reactions which are taking place under the pharmacovigilance regulations. Okay, and by the way you can see what is the drug process, and what are the drug reactions, drug adverse adverse reactions are taking place, what is the risk management, and these all can be known by you if you do this course of your pharmacovigilance course. Okay, so if you secure with this pharmacovigilance course, you can be work in the pharmaceutical companies, as earlier I have said, pharmaceutical companies and research institution. And this course is very easy for those who are already secure with the clinical research course. For them it is very easy. Why? Because they already know equipped knowledge with the how to do the drug safety monitoring and all, because they are working under the clinical research areas. Okay, so again if they wanted to enhance the education, this course is very easy for them. But for the BSc nursing students, somehow it is new only. Okay, anyhow you can see the what are the drug interactions and how the drug process is taking place. Okay, what is the risk management can be seen in this pharmacovigilance course. What is the duration of the course? 2.5 months. The duration of the course is the 2.5 months. Okay, and what you are going to be learn in the pharmacovigilance course, as I have told you, we can see the drug safety monitoring as well, adverse drug reactions, pharmacovigilance regulation, risk management strategies and signal detections. Okay, these all will be learned throughout your pharmacovigilance course. If you secure with the pharmacovigilance course, what are the positions you are going to be hired here? You called as a drug safety officer, drug safety associate, otherwise you can be called as a pharmacovigilance specialist. Pharmacovigilance specialist. Okay, so this is regarding of your pharmacovigilance course. And next one is the regulatory affair course, and fifth one is the regulatory affair course. What is the regulatory affair course? This course entirely covers the regulatory approval of the drugs. Okay, so once we have seen the what is the drug safety monitoring, what is the risk management, and how the preparation of the drug is being taking place, so this all is learned in the certain courses. Okay, so first one we have seen the clinical research course. There we have seen what is the preparation of the drug, and now before that we have seen pharmacovigilance. There we have seen how to prepare them for the manufacture. So this all have seen what is the risk management, what is the adverse drug reactions also can be learned into the pharmacovigilance course. But when we come to the regulatory affair course, after approaching those steps, you are going to see the regulatory approval of the certain drugs, not only drugs, regulatory approval of the certain drugs, regulatory approval of the medical devices, and regulatory approval of your biologics. Okay, so these all can be learned into of your regulatory affair course. Okay, so why? Because this course is very mandatory to learn by the students, because the healthcare system is demanding for the healthcare professionals only. So that's the reason you have to enhance of your knowledge. So how you are going to be approve these kind of devices. Okay, devices in the sense medical devices and pharmacological drugs as well biological devices. Okay, so it's nothing but we have to maintain the standards, certain things. So those things and all will be seen in the regulatory affairs course. Okay. So what is the if you secure this course, you have a 100% placement also. What is the duration of the course? 3 to 6 months of your duration. 3 to 6 months of your, you have a career advancement if you pursue this course. Next, medical writing course. What is a medical writing course? Sixth one we are discussing now, medical writing course. What is a medical writing course? For example, if you've been posted into the hospital clinical setting area, you have known how to write the documentation, but where you are going to follow the protocols? No, hopefully we don't follow any protocols since we have lack of supervision, since we have no guidance from the higher authorities. Okay, so but this medical writing course, which is teaching about of your how you are going to write the medical records. Okay, there are certain protocols, certain principles, certain guidelines which is supposed to be followed while you are making of your documentation. Okay, most of the people doesn't know how to document in clinical area. So this course is especially designed for how to do the documentation. Okay, not only documentation, it is preparing you to maintain of your writing skills which are especially needed for the scientific paper presentation and documentation in the clinical area, documentation in the administration area. So these all can be learned by this medical writing course. Okay, so if you pursue this course, you will be working under of your pharmaceutical companies as well of your regulatory bodies as well of your research organization, clinical research organizations. Okay, so this is regarding of your medical writing course. I can simplify in simple way. If you are writing of your certain documentation, we don't follow the protocols, but this course especially designed to write the documentation in the special areas of your journal publication, scientific paper presentation, clinical areas, pharmaceutical company. That's the reason if people secure with this degree, you can work in the pharmaceutical companies, clinical research organization and healthcare organization. What is the duration of this course? The duration of the course is the 3 to 5 months of the course. Okay, so these are the courses which are available after of your BSc Nursing graduation course. Okay, so first what we had seen, first one is the clinical research course, and second one is the medical coding course, and third one is the clinical data management, and fourth one is the regulatory FIR course, and fifth one is the pharmacovigilance course. Okay, so this is about of your courses which are available of your after securing of your BSc Nursing graduation course. Okay, now let us see what are the courses are available after the BSc Nursing in detail again. Okay, so somehow it is a foreseeing, that is the MSc Nursing course. Most of the people knows what you're supposed to do. You have your 5 branches: medical surgical nursing, obstetric and gynecology, and third one is the pediatric, and fourth one is the psychiatry, and fifth one is the community. Okay, so these specialities which are providing you enormous growth into the MSc Nursing profession. And one more course which is available, that is the MSc Nursing in public health. Okay, so now everybody is seeking for the MSc Nursing, but hopefully there is no much professional growth into this career. But apart from this, whatever I have discussed earlier, in that courses you have a great foreseeing. Please try to demand that. Okay, so next one, what is the courses, doctoral courses after the BSc Nursing? That is after pursuing of your MSc Nursing. Okay, BSc Nursing, MSc Nursing. So next what you are going to get into the course, that is the doctoral, that is the PhD in nursing, and one more course is the doctor of nursing practice. Yesterday just I have gone through this website, what is the course of doctorate in nursing practice. The people, those who have secured with the BSc Nursing course, they can be pursue this degree. Okay, simultaneously most of the institutions are offering 2 degrees, that is a MSc Nursing degree and doctorate in nursing practice. Simultaneously they are offering 2 courses. So once you check it into the website, I'll tag you now. So where the course is available and what is the duration of the course also, which is given into the tagline. Next, this is so far we have discussed what are the major courses and unknown courses for the BSc Nursing students. No awareness how to find, how to get into these career opportunities, which I have discussed now. Okay, and now known positions only I am going to discuss with you. Just I am going to list out. Okay, and first one, after pursuing of your BSc Nursing course, most of the people wanted to work in the clinical aspect area. So you can be work as a registered nurse. Okay, so we know already after pursuing of your BSc Nursing degree, we are eligible to get off your RM and RN. Okay, registration of midwife and registration of nurse. Okay, so those who pursue, those who secure with the BSc Nursing, everybody can be work as a registered nurses. And second was a nursing supervisor. This based on of your experience you are going to hire this position. And next one is a clinical nurse specialist. Okay, so clinical nurse specialist, this is going to be offered the expert in the clinical care, those who are expert in the clinical care. Now, next one is a nurse educator. Most of the hospitals are providing this opportunity as an educator to teach the nursing staff regarding the protocol, policies and guidelines of the hospital. Next one, public health nurse position. You know that those who are working in the community aspect area, they'll be called as a public health nurses. And healthcare administrator, for this also we have a course, that is a MBA hospital management course is available. That is a 2 years of course where you can be promoted as a hospital administrator or healthcare administrator. And next one is a medical writing associate and clinical research associate and nursing informatics. Once you comes to of your nursing informatics, you are going to deal with the IT company for the database management. Okay, so this is a nursing informatic course. Okay, so these are the courses which are available after the BSc Nursing, the people who are interested to work in the clinical area. Okay, so what is the remuneration you are going to get after of your BSc Nursing? So hopefully we don't get the good remuneration after pursuing of your BSc Nursing degree course, because since you have no experience into the clinical area. Okay, mostly 3 to 5 lakhs per annum only you can expect. That is according to my knowledge, but it is depends upon the hospital protocols. Okay, if you secure with a good experience, they pay you more. Okay, And what I wanted to conclude here, my dear student, don't please stop off your studies with the BSc nursing graduation course. Please enhance of your knowledge, expand of your growth, because we have a extended and expanded roles, enormous roles and enormous opportunities, enormous growth is awaiting for you. Okay, please don't be sit idly. Get into the websites where the courses are offering and what is the duration of the course. Please check it into the website, because already I have given the clear information regarding the courses, what are the courses are available after of your BSc nursing. So regarding this information, please get into the website. Okay, so I wish you all the best for your future pathway. So I hope everybody is going to get a good enhancement of your profession, with the professional growth as well of your personal growth. Once we grown in the profession, definitely simultaneously everything will be follow back of us with the personal growth also. Okay, please don't stick on to the one point, try to maintain of your multitask. Okay, so this is my best advice, my dear student. If you have any doubts regarding this session, please comment to me directly so that I can available for your doubts and clarifications. Okay, thank you. If at all anything you want me to take, if you like my video, if you like my class, please follow my link, Professor Gautami. Thank you. Share to your friends also regarding this information. Thank you once again.